Hi, good day. We've come now to lecture number 10, which involves the upper level scale analysis for 850 hectopascal level, to be precise, and for West and North Africa. This is again geopotential contour analysis. This is the map, the enhanced map for West Africa, West and North Africa, for 850 hectopascal level on the 27th of February 2013 at 12 GMT. Well, as I said earlier, this level, the average value is 1,500. This 850 level, 1,500 meters, geopotential meters. And these stations have values that are higher or lower than 1,500. So the analysis will be carried out in the spacing interval of 60 or 30, as the case may be. So looking at these stations, we start with 1,500. Looking at 1,500 here, as I said earlier, this station is the station circle. This is the value here, which is the geopotential height for this station. The geopotential height is the height of the 850 hectopascal level from sea level at this station. So this one is 1,524, while this one is 1,493. So 1,500 exists between 1,524 meters and 1,493 meters. So we take 1,005 through here, and now we come over here. Right? We look at this station. This is 1465, 1524. So 1500 passes between these two stations. We continue and be checking. This is 1426, 1510. So 1005 will go through there. This is 1496, and this is 150. Then it also will pass. All right. Then we come over here. This is another station again, 1485, 1510. So this 1,500 will pass. And that station here is 1488. It can pass. We come down here is 1513 and 1465. So 15 will also pass here. And we continue like that. This is 1459 and this is 1530. 1531 for this station. 1526 for this 1005 will pass, so it's labeled here. Coming down here is the same thing that is being carried out. Taking it this way, you see here is 1480, and this is 1519. So 1500 we pass through there. Then while passing, look at this station again. This is 1515. This is 1480. So 15 can be accommodated. As we're coming up here, we check again. This is 1493. This is 1504. So this will turn around. And then here again, we look at this 15115. Here is 149. So 115 will be there. And we continue like that. This is 1484. This is 1639. So 1005 will be there. And it's now labeled. Then we come to the next side, to the east of it. We can now have an interval of 30 that is increasing by 30 because the values are increasing. So we have 1530. 1530 is here. So we analyze it. To analyze it, we look at the value here. The value here is 1543, while here is 1509. So 1530 can pass. We continue there. This is another station here, 1539. And the analyzed one here is 150. So 1530 can pass north of this station because this value is higher. Then here, this is 1515, 1539. So 1530 can pass like that. Then look at this 1515 again. And here is 1539. So 1530 can pass. Here 1520, 1539. So this can pass also to 1530. So look at the values here. You see that the values here are high, higher than the analyzed 1530. So we place a high there. And now we come to this side, around the West African side. We analyze the same 1530 because 1560 cannot be accommodated here. The values are lower than that. So we analyze 1530, and we look at, to put the line, we look at this one. It's already analyzed 1500. Then look at the value here is 1543. So 1530 can be accommodated between this station and that. So we take it through this way, and while going, we look at this station again. This is 1524. So, and this is 1543. So 1530 can pass. Then over here, you look at these two stations again. This is 1543, 1526, 1530 can pass. We continue that way. Continue looking at the stations. This is higher than this, and here values are lower. When we come here, we have 1531, very close to 1530. We just pass just around that station. Just pass slightly north of the station. And then here is 1529. So we go to the east of the station. All right. Then we come almost to the coast. We look at the value here, is 1543. It's higher than the value here. So 1530 can be there. We continue. Then we come here. As we come here, this is 1525. 1525. So 1530 is north of the station. This is the station here, 1525. So it's north of it. And then values, all the values here, we look at it, you see that they are very high, higher than this analyzed 1530. This is 1543. This is 1533. This is 1543 again. So we place a high here and a high there. Then we come north to this side. This area we have to analyze. Let's analyze 1500 again here. This analysis is carried out. Look at it. We look at these values. This is a crop map. So here values are lower than 1500, but here they tend to be higher. So allowing this value to pass here, and just like that to this point, and there. This is 1540, 1470, 1513. So, and then here we look at the stations again for this. So we have 1441, and this is 1470. I mean 1488. So 1470 can pass, just like that. And then here, this is 1480. This is 1441. So 1470 can pass. Then we go around, come over here. This is 1485, and then the value here is 1441. So 1470 can pass. Then looking at this, the same thing is done. So it goes round, and the values inside here are lower than even this analyzed line. So we place a low here. Then coming to this side, we have 1470. Want to analyze, that is reduction by 30 meters. That's a 30-meter interval. Then we have here 1484. Over this side we have 1441. So 1470 can pass. The same likewise for this 149 something. So 1470 can pass. This is 1493. 1490, and this is 1441. So 1470 can pass. Here again, this is 1465. So we analyze it slightly south of the station. Okay, because this value is 1500. So 1470 exists between 1465 and 150. So now we take it round, looking at the values. So we are in good order. This is 14. This 14 possibly is 114. Let's continue because this one doesn't seem very clear. Now here is we have a 1454, and here is 1490. So 1470 will exist. So looking at inside here, we see that the values here are smaller. So we place a low there. And so this is how this analysis has been carried out. And therefore, I will be bringing this lecture to an end at this juncture. The next lecture will now involve streamline analysis at the same 850 hectopascal level. Thank you.